Welcome to the Finance Hub. In this video, we'll give you tips on how to make a budget that works for you. Creating a budget can seem difficult, but it doesn't have to be. You can make a realistic budget that helps you achieve your financial objectives by following a few easy steps. One of the most crucial actions you can take to manage your money and reach your financial objectives is to create a budget. You can allocate your money wisely if you have a clear understanding of your income and outgoing costs. Here is a step-by-step guide to creating a budget that works for you. Step 1. Identify your income. Identifying your income is the first step in developing a budget that works for you. All of the money you earn, whether it comes from a job, investments, or other sources, is included in this. The precise amount of money you anticipate earning each month should be noted. Include all of your income sources, such as your salary, bonuses, interest and dividends, rental income, and any other sources, in your financial statement. This will help you see exactly how much money you bring in each month. Step 2. Identify your expenses. The next step is to list your expenses. This includes all of your expenditures, such as your rent or mortgage, utilities, transportation, shopping, and entertainment. It's crucial to be as specific as you can when listing your expenses. Sort your expenses into fixed, those that remain the same each month, and variable, those that change, expenses, those that change each month. This will make it easier for you to see where your money is going and where, if necessary, you can make cuts. Step 3. Make a list of your priorities. Make a list of your priorities once you are aware of your income and expenses. What do you intend to purchase with your money? For what do you intend to save? What are your monetary objectives? Set these in order of importance so you can decide where to invest your money first. This might entail carrying out debt repayment, setting up an emergency fund, saving for retirement, or launching a side business. Step 4. Compare your income and expenses. You can compare your income and expenses after creating a list of your priorities. Do you spend more money than you make? If so, some changes will need to be made. Find areas where you can make savings so you can put the money toward your most important goals. This might entail reducing wasteful spending, figuring out how to earn more money, or doing both at once. Step 5. Track your spending. Spending tracking is the last step. Record all of your purchases and compare them to your monthly budget each month. This will assist you in staying on course and making any necessary corrections. To keep track of your spending, you can use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or just a piece of paper. It takes some work to develop a budget that works for you, but it will be worthwhile in the end. You will be well on your way to achieving your financial goals if you stick to these easy steps. To make sure you stay on track, keep in mind to be realistic, prioritize your spending, and track your expenses. Regular budget monitoring allows you to adapt and make changes as necessary to keep moving in the direction of your financial objectives. For more fantastic financial content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.